Hey, and welcome to Alpha1. In this episode, I will once again show you how you can trade here at Pocket Option and you can trade in profit. Now, before I do that, if you do have account from before or you don't have account with this broker, make sure you sign up with the link you see up here right now or the link you find below the video, because I am now removing my affiliate income from this broker and I give it back to you, so you get cash back on every single trade you do at Pocket Option. So now I'm not earning nothing, I give it to you, and it's only with the link you find below. So if you have from before, make sure you use my link, because then you basically will have more profit all over when you're trading. So sign up below. Also, I have made so you get 50% on your first deposit if you use the link below. So remove your old account and start with this one you see below here now and get started today. Okay. Then, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. So now we are going to trade a little binary option. I will show you my strategy, how I'm trading, and how you can trade also. So let's get to it. I forgot. I do have an academy, more or less, where you can trade together with me. There I share all my forex trades and binary option trades. This is at WhatsApp and Telegram. It's completely free. I share all my trades. You find links below. Also, I do share my screen. This is here at YouTube. You find link below video for that also. That costs a little money to share, to see my screen, but it's not necessary, but then you get more information while I'm trading. So then it's more like what you see now, just it's live and I tell all my forex trade, I explain why I take the trades. Same with binary option, you will see me looking what I'm looking for when I take the trades before I give the signal for people. And you also, when I start writing, make the signals, takes a little while, of course. So the ones that follow me on the screen, they can take the trades right away. So they sometimes get better entries, okay? So make sure, if you really want to make money with binary option and forex, check it out. So that's enough for the intro. Let's get started. So now let's see what we can find. I'll not take so big trades. I'll take $50 trade, I think. Let's see if we can find something nice. What I'm basically trading, I'm trading support and resistance. So let's see if we can take a multi-screen. That would be maybe nicer. Here we have one here. Let's take a $50 here. We take a higher. Closing time is a little. I want it to be 1 minute. I think is better for this one, but we can see. If we lose, you take 120. But I think we're winning, and we won the first trade beautifully. Okay, let's go back to 50. But you know what, we can keep it to 30 seconds. Let's keep it fast. Now I want to trade down in this region here. If we can get that, I'm ready. Little more. We take it there. Now let's see, I did see he did stop, so that's why I did take it there. I was waiting to see if we wanted to go down. Now we need to wait more 30 seconds again. If we lose, we take 120. Let's see. I don't think we are going to lose. Looks like we got another winner. Let's follow the other ones also. And we won. Another beautiful win. Then let's go back. In the end, I will show you all the trades, by the way, so we can look at them and see all the profit we made. Of course, I'm just taking $50 trades now, but it's still nice. Now let's zoom in. I think we continue with this one. I think I'll take a trade more around this region here. Let's see. I want it a little more down than we got right now. So make sure you sign up a new account with this broker with the link, like I said, below the video. I share my commission that I make typically with you. Okay. So you get basically cash back on every single trade you do. Is that beautiful? I rather want people to join my WhatsApp and things there. I make my money back, by the way. I don't need to make money from this, so you're welcome. So now let's see. Up here I want to take a trade in the tops around here. We see then basically we have a very high win rate. I think we'll take one more trade in this trading here now. Make the video short and nice. Basically I'm just trading support resistance. Support resistance is an area where we see many spikes that they don't want to break it. Like here you see those many spikes here and you don't want to go down. That is an area that is beautiful for us to take a trade. So here now we see we have a resistance. I want to see that he will confirm it. So if the next bar come around here, I will take it. So around we see now, if we don't break this one now, then this one is confirmed for me. That's it. Looks nice for me. If we go up again, I'll take it. Let's take a $50 there also. That's it. So in this region here we see now beautifully closed bar. I love this. So if you come up to this region here, we're going to push the down button. Okay. So now let's just wait and see. I'm sorry for my computer, it's working overload here now because I'm doing many things at the same time. I'm saving basically the video I made for today, and the computer works super hard doing that. Now we take a trade here. The reason for that is easy. We see that this area we have hard to break, and that's a beautiful area for us to take a trade. You see here, and we got a beautiful one more trade. So you see, because you see when you come up to this region, he don't want to break it easily. So there you have it. We did 3 trades and 3 winners. Now let's take a look at the trades we have just taken and how much profit we made from it. So there we can take a look. We can see we did take 3 trades. We made a sweet profit of $137, almost $138. So that's how easy it is to trade binary option, just using a simple strategy as support and resistance. You just need to make sure you see the spikes. Spikes is this line that is after the closed bar. If you see spikes many places and they never go past it, just take the trade inside the spike area, not in the closed bar, and you make profit. That's how easy it is, and the win rate is incredibly high. So make sure you join with my special link so you earn more from your trading that you typically would do at this broker. So with that, have an amazing day and enjoy the rest of your day.